Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells you want to fix. Once selected, decide whether you need to remove all spaces inside text or just trim leading and trailing spaces. Make a quick backup copy of the range to a new sheet so you can undo if needed. Now open the formula bar or an empty helper column to apply a function. This lets you see results without altering originals. Use clear, consistent selection to avoid missing cells. Now apply the appropriate function. If you only need to trim leading, trailing, and extra spaces between words, use trim cell. Once done, for removing every single space character, use substitute cell. Make sure to nest trim around substitute when you want both behaviors. Trim, substitute cell. So you collapse unwanted white space and tidy results. Drag the fill handle down or double-click it to copy the formula across the full range. Finalize by selecting the cleaned formulas, copy, then paste special values back over the originals to commit changes. Make sure to check for non-breaking spaces, char 160, by using substitute text char 160, if results still show gaps. Once done, validate lengths with len and remove non-printables with clean when needed. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup sheet and reapply the adjusted form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.